This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Lena Levine. 2 acres plus corner lot. This is it. Sitting high and dry on a huge lot and in flood zone X, no flood insurance required. This is the home your heart has been yearning for. Offering an 1,810 square foot main home plus 1 main workshop/outdoor apartment, 2 smaller shops and a boat cover, this property has all of the space you could ever want. Once you step inside, you'll notice the home has a nice layout with the kitchen/dining/living area all combining to create a nice cozy feeling. The bedrooms are all a generous size and can accommodate lots of furniture placement options. You'll quickly notice that you're only 10 minutes from the hub of Youngsville, where all of the new shopping, restaurants, and entertainment are located. This home is that perfect blend of country meets city. This subdivision is highly sought after, and the homes that come up for sale do not